Tama, yung ano pala, yung kanina ay officially we signed the memorandum of agreement with the winning local government units for 2 awards sa atin. Ito yung Salamat Excellence Award for Leadership at saka yung LGAIP is the Local Chief Executives Innovative Practices Program. Yung innovations at the level of the LGUs, nire-recognize natin, pinapromote natin, and then ini-incentivize natin. So, for the winning local government units, binigyan natin sila ng 2.5 million each na worth na project para doon sa to recognize yung initiatives nila. So, magkakaroon ng formal awarding ceremony next year during the anniversary of the region. But yung projects nila, we can already start doing that by signing the memorandum of agreement, so we can transfer the funds already. Yeah, so this is this is a flagship program of the Department of Trade and Industry in partnership with the MTIT. In turn, yung MTIT partnered with us for ito yung competitive cities and municipalities. So, may mga lahat ng LGU supposedly will be covered. And this is the first time na nag-participate yung region at naka-achieve tayo ng 100% na output. Meaning lahat ng local government units natin, municipalities and cities, in the whole of the region ay sumali doon sa pag-enter ng data nila. On the basis of the data, nagkakaroon ng assessment kung sino yung pinaka-competitive na cities and municipalities in the region. Sa atin, first time na sumali tayo, 100% na, pumasok lahat, plus may mga awardees pa rin tayo doon sa competitive municipalities. So like Butig, Sumisip, Lantawan, mga awardees for this year. Yes, so sila yung most improved na local government unit. So ang tinitingnan rito ay, in reality, lahat ng LGUs in the country would need to be competitive to become investment destinations. So, kailangan mong i-simplify yung process mo sa pag-grant ng business permit. Kasi kung cumbersome yan, hindi pupunta yung investment sa iyo. You have to grant incentives doon sa kanila. You need to do service delivery better. Kasi kung hindi maganda ang services ng LGU, hindi rin pupunta yung investment sa kanila. So, if you cannot provide water, for instance, if you cannot provide electricity, you cannot provide health services, bakit magtatayo ng negosyo doon sa'yo? Pag nagkasakit yung empleyado ko sa negosyo ko, hindi maganda ang health services mo, magiging problem yon. So, this one, we are also promoting in partnership with MTIT kasi we have to be competitive. When investors come to the country, they would always ask, saan kami pupunta? Primary among the considerations would be, how competitive is the area we are considering for investments? So, ito yung drive din natin sa ministry na yung mga LGUs natin, mag-improve sila doon sa mga areas that would make them very attractive to investments para baka generate sila ng direct investment doon sa mga areas nila.